Then come to dollar sign. In your class, I already in different problem you already saw use of dollar sign. For this problem I am using dollar sign for better understanding of your problem. Just why we use dollar sign. So what we have to do, what we want to do, okay, we want to find 10%. So we want to find out the 10%, the following number. So what is the formula? This equals to 10%. Then see what's the happen. So what's happened here? By formula we can use trace dependence and trace precedence. No, there is no value here. Value is fixed. So value in this cell and only one cell. And what we have to do, we have to fix this cell. We have to fix this cell. So what we have to put, we have to put dollar sign in front of D and 3. Now just see the result. As we fix this value here, when we drag, value will remain here, no change will happen. Just click and use trace dependence, then see. Then what's happened here? Okay, so all value are depends on 10%. Why? Because we put dollar sign in front of L and in front of 3, and you know how so this is the regions of putting dollar sign in front of any cell, and this one, just see, there is the region, value is fixed here. Now in our next problem, what you will see, putting dollar sign in front of row and column separately. Okay, so we want to find out 10%, 20%. Just not like this one. Select this and drag. So what I want to do in this problem, I want to find out 10% of this value here, 20% of this value, this table, from column D here, 30% here, 40% here, 50% here, and 60% here. And you already know the formula. What is your formula? Put dollar equal, then into. Just see the result, what's happened here. Okay, why this abnormal number? Because we didn't fixed our value. When we drag the number come to here, like this one. What's happened? from this one into this one. But what I want to do, find out 60% of 1 lakh. Find out the 60% of this number. So for these regions, first try to understand this thing. And just see, all value remain in D column and row is different, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or it could be different. And same ways, all percentages remain in a single row and column is different, 5, E, F, G, H, I. So what is fixed here? D is fixed, D column and fixed. And what is fixed here? 4 is fixed. So during writing our formula, what we have to do, then put comma in front of D, because value is in D column. Okay, then and $D, and what we have to do, we have to put $sign in front of 4, because row 4 is fixed, but E, F, G, H, I are not fixed. So when we using this formula, then what will happen? And you see this value into this value. Why? Because we use $sign in front of D and we fix this cell. Like this one. And just see, this cell is fixed and this row is fixed. So but here 5, 6, 7 it will change, but are changing, and at the same time E, F, G are changing. Only one thing is fixed. Then you see let's see trace dependence of this value. How? This one into this one. How it calculates? Because we fix D but not fix 10, and we fix 4 not G. These are the regions. And in difference problem, let's see, just see the formula. D is fixed, not 14 is fixed. So when we drag, value remain in D but not but change row number, and just see, value remain in 4, row 4, not in same J. This is all about